Day. Ooh. We're rocking tonight. We are rocking. What to do?
Did you fart?
No.
I got a good big wolf of shit.
It must still stick in here.
It does. I'm serious. When I walked in here, I got a whiff of it.
A whiff? Now what do you mean?
A whiff of poop.
What do you mean by that? A whiff?
Poop. That's what I got a whiff of.
No, I mean, what do you mean by whiff?
Whiff?
Yeah.
I mean, I walked into the cloud of poop.
Into a cloud of
shit.
Yeah.
A cloud of really smelly gas.
Yeah. A cloud of sewage. No. Actually,
yeah, that's another name for it.
Sewage is really horrible. Oh, storage. Oh.
I have to smell that shit, that sewer right over here.
It just fart because
I just fart out there. This pumpkin has no way to get ahead in life. Nice one there.
How about the big one I did?
Which big one? The big dump?
No,
big crap?
a big fart I did. Not like
oh, phew! Oh. You can have a can of root beer. Oh my god. Oh, root beer.
I almost spit down my survivor in your face. Oh.
God, I got gas. Ouch!
I bet that would hurt.
Ouch! 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 God damn it! I'm just fluffing it out.
Phew. Don't let me you. Bonehead.
Oh, that one was healthy.
No, it was not healthy. My parts aren't healthy.
Oh man, he could kill a whole herd of elephants. I remember when Doug and I made a movie. I just like felt this big cramp when Doug was talking.
Yeah, pretty soon, and
oh yeah,
my sister's birthday, and
how old's your sister gonna be?
17. Ooh, yuck.
Holy shit, you took that whole can already?
Yeah, I'm getting tired. I'm full.
I'm full too.
Oh, I'm gonna be hyper all day. All night long. Oh yeah, that one tasted nasty. That one did not taste so good.
Oh, yuck.
Taste that one?
Oh, God, did I ever?
What it tastes like?
Throw up.
Oh, that one did not taste so good.
God damn it, I got gas. I felt like someone came out. Damn it, that stinks. Oh no!
Oh my God! Reese, that is powerful.